How are you everyone? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for the subscriptions for those ones who subscribed. Those ones who have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, put on a notification, and we continue to learn. Today, we are going to look at basically anti-retroviral drugs or agents that we use in treating the retroviruses. Basically, HIV virus, HIV virus which brings AIDS. So this is a brief summary of the drugs and their different actions on the virus. So when you see what you're seeing in the middle is the life cycle of the virion and how it affects the cell. From the point of attachment, that is step number 1, entry of the nucleotide, getting integrated in the DNA, and at the point to the point of maturation of the virion, which is infectious now. This is the infectious stage now. These drugs are going to act at different points. Now we see when the virion nucleotide enters the host cell, it is going to be turned into DNA of the virus by an enzyme reverse transcriptase. Here we have two classes of agents which act at this point. We have the non-nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitors and nucleotide or nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors. Drugs which fall under these categories, when we start with non-nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitors, we have
nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitors. We have ARVs, we have nivelapine. So nivelapine is more recommended in children in regard to ARVs. Then we have etravidine and the delavatine. So those are the drugs which fall under that category. When we go to nucleoside reverse transcriptase inhibitors, we have emtricitabine, we have lamivudine, zidovudine, and stavudine. Then, when we go to nucleotide, we have only one nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor, that is tenofovir. So, moving to another class, that is the entry inhibitors. These ones are chemokine receptor antagonists. We have maraviron and enfavitant. From chemokine receptor antagonists, we have integrase inhibitors. These inhibit integration of the viral DNA into the host DNA. So the drugs here, we have raltegravir, and raltegravir. So they inhibit integration of the viral DNA into the host DNA. Now moving this side, we have an enzyme which is HIV protease, which is involved in the maturation of the HIV nucleotides into the nucleic acid of the virion. So the drug which is most common here is ritonavir. It's the most common drug in this category. Then we have cobicistat, which is a booster. It is a booster drug. These drugs normally come in combinations. And the common combinations, we have Truvada, which is a combination of emtricitabine and tenofovir. So we have 200 milligrams of emtricitabine and 300 milligrams of tenofovir. We give one tablet 4 times. We have Combivir, which is a combination of lamivudine and zidovudine. 150 milligrams lamivudine, 300 milligrams zidovudine. We give one tablet twice daily. Then we have another combination which is a tripler combination of emtricitabine, we have tenofovir and efavirenz. 200 milligrams emtricitabine, 300 milligrams tenofovir, 600 milligrams efavirenz. We give one tablet quick. Then Civil is a combination of abacavir, lamivudine, and zidovudine. 300 milligrams abacavir, 150 milligrams lamivudine, 300 milligrams zidovudine. We give one tablet twice, OBD. Epsicom is a combination between abacava and lamivudine. 600 milligrams abacava, 300 milligrams lamivudine. We give 1 tablet quick. So those are the common combinations we have. In treatments we have the first line drugs. We can have two nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor and one non-nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitor. So in the first line of drugs, we combine two nucleotide reverse transcriptase and one non-nucleotide reverse transcriptase. We can have tenofovir plus emtricitabine. These are two nucleotide reverse transcriptase, and efavirenz, which is a non-nucleotide reverse transcriptase. Then we have tenofovir and lamivudine plus efavirenz or nevirapine in children. Types of drugs have two nucleotide reverse transcriptase inhibitors and one protease inhibitor. This one is probably ritonavir. Then here we can have a combination of zidovudine, we add lamivudine and the protease inhibitor. That is when tenofovir and emtricitabine are in the first line. We can have tenofovir and emtricitabine plus a protease inhibitor. That is in case zidovudine and the lamivudine are in the first line of drugs. So those are the regimens we have. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, put on a notification. Don't lose out, don't miss out on the more details of each and every drug in the next video. Thank you very much.